Hey folks, we got the new Belkin iPhone MagSafe adapter for your notebooks and MacBooks. So do we have a true Bluetooth wireless webcam with us now? Let's check this thing out and see how useful it is. So with this device, you'll be able to pop it on the back of your iPhone with MagSafe, then clip this latch onto the top of your laptop, and even move it around wherever you want to use this as a Bluetooth webcam and mic. But to make all of this work, you're gonna have to be using the new Mac OS Ventura to turn on this feature, and only these devices are currently compatible. So once the Ventura OS update is done, you make sure both devices are logged into the same iCloud account, and you will see new options for choosing cameras in your Zoom calls, FaceTimes, and others. So your iPhone will pop right up. And this is where the Belkin mount comes in. Belkin says more mounts for external monitors and other devices are coming soon, but we have no idea when. One thing to take notice, and something that I really do not like about this little accessory, is there's a balancing sweet spot before your laptop starts to tip over. Belkin does mention this, that it may be tough with heavier phones, so maybe this new Belkin accessory is not so cool and you should just go get yourself a small tripod with an iPhone mount. I use this Peak Design tripod. Here is also one from Rode. Very easy to find. There's tons of companies that make these type of things. A mini tripod will do the same job, but even better, and it's more stable. You can move it around wherever you want. It's definitely the way to go. When you are using the continuity camera, you're able to really tap into the iPhone's camera effects like portrait and studio light. You can't mess with all the parameters in there, which would be cool. More controls, please. We all love more controls and want that, Apple. And you can also use center stage to keep yourself in frame. There's also a desk view option now, and this is a very interesting idea, but looks pretty wonky actually for the laptops right now. Better with the tripod method as well, having your subject area closer for less severe warping going on. But what it does is it takes your widescreen camera lens and tries to fix the angle so you can imagine the stretchiness going on with it. And Apple has also shown that you can get kind of split screen mode where you've got your desk cam and the regular cam on your face, so you can kind of do tutorials, demos, stuff like that. I'm hoping that some app comes out where we can actually get all of the lenses all at once, all 4 views in a type of switcher, and you're able to flip back and forth from whichever one you want. That would be a very cool thing. If you have ever tried to get a true overhead shot, you know how tough it can be and the amount of gear that it takes. And now all you might need in some cases is this continuity camera feature and a laptop with the latest OS. So at first when I saw this product, I chuckled because I felt like this was just a way for Apple to fix their lackluster webcams, but the continuity camera can be used in many other ways, so that is actually pretty cool. And we now have a wireless webcam to use through Bluetooth. Place it anywhere you want. You don't need just this Belkin mount. I mean, it's handy, but it's definitely not necessary. This Belkin mount retails for 30 bucks. No word on when the other mounts are gonna come out for external displays, but it should be soon. Lots of options these days to film yourself, and I hope this video helped you out and give you some ideas. If so, can you please hit that subscribe button? I would be very honored. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you at the next one. Take care.